The Vigo County School Board will ultimately decide if the contract with former Superintendent Dr. Danny Tanoos will be terminated. Last week, the Marion County Prosecutor's Office filed 3 counts of bribery against Tanoos. Current Superintendent Robert Hayworth says the school corporation is moving forward with plans to fire Tanoos. But what steps are involved and how much of the process is public? News 10's John Swanner joins us to answer both questions.
Once the process to terminate Tanoos' contract began, I emailed Dr. Hayworth to learn more about that process. Last night, I received an email from Jonathan Mays. He's an attorney with the Indianapolis law firm Bose, McKinney & Evans. Mays said the initial step taken by Dr. Hayworth is called Notice of Rights and Preliminary Decision. He says it's similar to filing a lawsuit. It lets Tanoos know the allegations against him. Then the process moved to what's called a Garrity interrogation. The school corporation can demand Tanoos answer any questions about the charges filed against him. If Tanoos refuses to answer them, Mays wrote Tanoos will be found insubordinate. That's grounds for termination. From there, the process moved to what's called a superintendent's conference between Hayworth, Tanoos, and their lawyers. This is where Tanoos can explain why his contract should not be terminated. Hayworth can recommend the board terminate Tanoos' contract or make no recommendation at all. If he recommends termination, Tanoos would go before the entire board for another conference. Mays wrote the school board would serve as judge and jury in this conference. Evidence would be presented by both sides, and all of this would be done in executive session. The board's decision, however, would have to come during a public meeting, and it only takes a simple majority to terminate any contract. Now, if the board votes to terminate Dr. Tanoos' contract, he may appeal their decision to the courts. We have Mr. Mays' complete breakdown of this process on our website, WTHI-TV.com. Back to you.